Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the simple steps to add another account to your Google Drive. Whether you're managing multiple projects or simply want to separate personal and professional files, adding an account is quick and easy. Let's dive in. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're using a mobile device, you can find the app icon in your app drawer or on your home screen. For desktop users, just navigate to drive.google.com in your web browser. Once you have the app open, look for your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you can manage your accounts. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Add Another Account. This option allows you to link a new Google account without logging out of your current one. It's a great feature for those who need quick access to multiple accounts. Next, you'll need to enter your email address or phone number associated with the new Google account. After entering your information, click Next to proceed. You will then be prompted to enter the password for the account you're adding. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your password, click Next again. Now comes an important step. Follow the prompts to verify your account. This may involve answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your registered phone number or email. Completing this step ensures that you are indeed the owner of the account being added. Once all these steps are completed, you'll be able to switch between accounts effortlessly by clicking on your profile photo again and selecting the desired account from the list. And that's it. You've successfully added another account to Google Drive. Now, you can easily access files from multiple accounts without any hassle. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive and other tech tutorials. See you in the next video.